Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models. Yeah, I know it's been a minute since the last videos. We've had a few situations with stuff going on with the family and a loss of somebody in the family and just all sorts of stuff. We're moving our office from one place to another. So kits got delayed, but we are finally getting on track. So what I have for you today is the Ranier Racing. Let's try to get the reflection off there. Ranier Racing 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, driven by Buddy Baker. So let's take a look and see what's inside this box. This beautiful silver box. Okay, so here we go. Ranier Racing, 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, driven by Buddy Baker. So we have done others, but we haven't done this one with the Spectra on there. So let's take a look. And we're going to have a nice silver body. So all you will have to do is the black decals are going to go on the sides. That looks good. I like that. I know this is something very common with stuff, guys. It just happens and there's no controlling it. That's where the plastic comes in and it mixes going side to side. That's just what you get with those. But you know what? You're going to get your decals over there. If you need to paint it, you can paint it. But that's just what happens, especially with metallic stuff. So there's that. There's the glass tree. Round and squishies are round and squishy-ish. Hey, we got some chrome stuff. And remember, guys, this is real chrome. This is not the vacuum metallized aluminum. This is real chrome. You know what? I got to stop and think about that. This could be, but I do believe this is real chrome, guys. So anyway, our parts, internal parts, are metallic. I think there may be some that you're going to paint depending on what his roll cage and everything inside looks like. But there you've got the full line of everything. All your engine parts and everything is metallic, so you don't have to paint. That's what we try to do, guys, because not everybody has the facilities to do painting. It might be temperature, especially now that we're going into winter. So there's the hood parts, the firewall, the roll cages, other engine parts, the front end. Yeah, not everybody has the opportunity to paint. So, you know, we provide them that way so you don't have to. There's the grill once again. I do believe that this is real chrome, not the vacuum metallized stuff. We have done that on a couple very rare occasions because our supplier had to shut down their chrome line for a while because of California regulations. So, oh, nice reflective 28s. So there you go. There's your side panels, just like we did on the Richard Petty's of doing those in the vermilion. So you can drop those on, and then you can put your other decals on. Or if it makes you feel so much better to do it and paint it in black by yourself, you can do that. But oh man, those reflective decals are very cool. Very cool, guys. So after doing a quick magnet test on the chrome parts, they are indeed chrome. You can actually click onto them with a magnet and it'll stick lightly, but it will stick. So they are real chrome. You are not going to be able to remove that chrome because it's chrome like on your car bumper. But if you feel the need to paint, scuff them up a little bit and then paint them with your favorite chrome paint. So anyway, the Ranier Racing 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, driven by Buddy Baker, is now available. They have been shipping for about a week. I have been out of town for about a week. They are shipping, and you can order them right now on salvinosjrmodels.com. Hey, check out our other stuff. We are beginning to build up an accessory line of 3D printed parts. We are also building up a model shop, as it were. So we are carrying tube glue, we are carrying liquid glues, we're carrying Tamiya paints, both I think spray and brush paints. We're carrying Tamiya brushes, the really nice side nippers for cutting your stuff off your runners. Paint brushes, like I said, all sorts of cool stuff that that you may not have a local hobby store anymore. So instead of having to go to another place to shop, you can get your kits, you can get your supplies, everything you need is right there at salvinosjrmodels.com, and we are continuing to grow that. Like I said, we're doing more 3D printed parts and accessories, so they will be up there. Drivers. I even have a pit crew, a full pit crew for the next gen kits. So if you're interested in other things, check out our web store. Marco is continuing to update that. So just trying to help you guys out in your quest to do some really cool stuff.